Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today, we're gonna go chase down a beautiful sunset. I was on my way home today and I saw this nice, colorful sun setting with beautiful, colorful clouds. So I decided to go home, grab my camera, and go for a ride. So let's go chase down some sunsets. So hop on and let's go. It's a beautiful day today. Look at these beautiful trees. It's a nice evening sky. Currently it's around 5:30 or 6 o'clock. We're gonna try to chase down this beautiful sunset and see what's on the other side. I like riding down this side of the road late in the evening. It's very beautiful. Things are so colorful over here. Everybody got their colorful rain jackets on, riding down. It just stopped raining right about now, so I'm not sure if the rain is gonna come back anytime soon. But some of these motorists you see here have their colorful raincoats on. Now, sometimes I don't mind riding in the rain. Pretty warm over here, riding in the rain. So it's not like cold or anything. It's actually quite fun. If you're riding slow, make sure you have a nice helmet with a visor on, or else that rain is just gonna fly splat right in your face as you ride, and it doesn't feel good. I'll tell you that. I've done it before. With views like this, I love living in Da Nang. Da Nang is known as the tech hub of central Vietnam, and it's frequently ranked as the most livable and modernized city in the country, and that's why I love it. So many things happening here, so many things is growing and developing. I really think part of the future in Vietnam is going to be here in Da Nang. It's like they're trying to develop a Silicon Beach here. You got a lot of tech companies coming up over here. There's a lot of cool tech conventions yearly, so they're already trying to make the move. And I'm all for it. It's a great place to be, great place to live, and soon it'll be a great place to work. This road right here is, I think they just paved it, but they didn't do a very good job. A little bumpy. Wow, look at that rainbow on the left side. It's like a perfect half circle. You see to the left to the right. It goes all around the clouds. Very beautiful. The roads are a little bit wet here, so I'm taking my time just riding, not trying to speed through all this. Plus right now it's rush hour, so gotta be careful. A lot of family and workers riding home. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that Da Nang, this area, dates back to the ancient Champa Kingdom, which was first established around 192 AD? Here's another fun fact, history for you guys. Did you know that My Khai Beach in Da Nang was widely known as China Beach by the American soldiers during the Vietnam War who came here for rest and relaxation? Ooh, there's that beautiful sunset. Nice. Wow. Nice golden tone to it. I think the sun probably has another like 15 minutes before it fully sets. 15 to 20 minutes. I'll look at it glisten on that lake. Very nice. Exactly what I want to see. I never get tired of these views here in Da Nang. You always have these beautiful, colorful sunsets. And the sky nice and cloudy, which gives it a nice, cool look. Don't get me wrong, sunsets with, well, I prefer sunsets with clouds than sunsets with just clear skies, to be honest. Riding through this development area they're building, there's a lot of things going on over here. I think this is a future city right here. They got like a lot of hotels, business buildings, and apartments being built all at once. Crazy. Ooh, look at this. We're riding directly towards that sunset. Nice. Oh, check out these new apartments right here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So many apartments coming up over here in Danang. Almost feels like everywhere in the world, like these construction sites prefer to build apartments rather than homes. I guess in Danang is no different from the West. Apartments coming up everywhere. Sunset. You see a little bit of that blue cloud too, or the blue sky, I mean. Very beautiful. Let's go over this bridge here. Nice, beautiful view. This is so relaxing. I love riding and just staring out into the far distance and looking at the beautiful sky, beautiful clouds. A lot of businesses are turning on their lights, beautiful lights coming up in the evening. This is a really nice time to just ride around and check out the city because it's very lively, very beautiful. A lot of things going on, a lot of lights, a lot of visuals. In the daytime, it's kind of bright and bland, but around this time, with all the lights and the sun is still kind of up a little bit, you can still see the clouds. It's like the perfect time to get all the visuals in. Beautiful view. I love it. I've always said this about Vietnam. It's like a place with two distinctive times. Vietnam feels like it's partly 1960s and 2030 mixed together. It's an odd place. On the one hand, you still got a lot of people riding really old school motorcycles and scooters, like the Honda Cub, Honda Dream, which was like built in the 1980s. A lot of people still riding those around. It feels very like old school. But then on the other hand, you got all these cool neon LCD, LED bright buildings that has these displays at night that feels very futuristic. You got neon lights everywhere. You got LED lights shining everywhere. It's crazy. It's like a mixture of two worlds. I love it. I feel like I don't see this anywhere else in the world. Maybe I haven't experienced much, but it feels awesome. Wow, look at this sky. Look at this beautiful blue cloud, colorful clouds. Yeah, I'm just chilling, taking my time, riding my bike. Wow, check out this scene right here. It just keeps getting better. Oh my goodness, look at this scene. Let's take the time to enjoy this view here. So nice. Hey, if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It'll definitely help my channel grow, and it'll make it easy for me to make more fun videos like this in the future. For future videos, I'll show you more beautiful rides like this, so don't forget to put on that notification bell to let you know when the new video is coming out. As always, I'll catch you guys on the next ride. Peace.